Hello friends, myself Pratik. In this session, we will continue with our discussion on text processing using Python. Let us start this session. In previous session, we have implemented the code to remove all the punctuations from the text. Here we have input text in our text variable. And in order to remove all the punctuation from this input text, we have created another variable with new text. And then we have created a for loop for iterating every character present in our text. And if character is not in string.punctuation, then we are appending that character in our new string with name new text. And finally, we are printing the value of new text. And in new text, we will have no punctuation mark because we are using this if condition that the character will be appended into the new text only if it is not in string.punctuation. And string.punctuation is an internal variable which carries the list of all punctuation marks. So let's check this. So here you can see that this has removed all the punctuation mark present in our input text, and this has worked perfectly fine. And in previous session we were discussing that how we can extend this code to frame a method to remove all the punctuation marks from the text. So we have to convert this code into a function or a method, and that function should remove all the punctuation marks. And this function should take input text and it should return the updated text. So this is very easy to convert this code into a function, and the name of the function should be remove punctuation. So let us discuss the solution to create a function remove punctuation which should remove all the punctuations from our input text. Here I am defining a function with name remove punctuation. I am passing my input text to this function. Here this is the code which we have written in our previous session. This is our new text string. I am iterating my input text for each character. If character is not in string punctuation, I am appending that to new text, and finally my new text will have a text without any punctuation marks. So we are returning this updated text. Here I am calling this function remove punctuation by passing this input text, and finally I am printing the returned value by this function. So let us execute this. So this is the way to create a function remove punctuation which can remove all the punctuation marks from our input text. This is all about this session. Before closing this session, I want to give you one more assignment. So you have to create a normalize function that should take input text and it should convert it to lowercase, and then it should call remove punctuation function which we just created in this session to remove all the punctuations from the text. The function name should be normalize, and this function should take input text, and this is performing two tasks. First, it is converting that text to lowercase, and then this function should call remove punctuation function which we have created in this session to remove all the punctuations from the text. So please take your time to create this normalize function that should normalize the text by first converting the text to lowercase, and then it should remove all the punctuations from the text by using remove punctuation function. All the code discussed in this session is available in the description of this video. You can directly use this code to create your normalize function, and we will be discussing the solution of our normalize function in our next session. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you.